Ziva, come here. Come here. It's cool. Monkey. Oh my god.
Oh, you should put the whole thing in his mouth.
Here, take this. Oh wait, let me. Ziva, come
It's
here. Drop
okay.
it.
It's just paper. Milky, you're gonna get a brain freeze. That was a whole scoop you just ate in like 2 seconds.
Nothing in here, Monkey.
Maybe huskies don't get brain freeze because
You're used to the
their brains need to be frozen. You're crazy, dude. You want some of mine too now, don't you?
In it, Yar.
You can't have it.